Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting yourself and the floor. Open windows and lay a plastic drop cloth. Put on gloves and goggles, then use a plastic scraper to lift loose paint. Work at a low angle to avoid scratching. Once you've removed flaky spots, test a small amount of solvent on a hidden tile to ensure no discoloration. Wait 30-60 seconds to observe. If safe, apply solvent sparingly. Let it sit briefly to soften paint, then scrape again, small. Controlled passes work best. Now you move to chemical removal. Choose rubbing alcohol for latex, acetone for tougher enamel, or a water-based stripper for sensitive tiles. Apply a thin coat with a cloth or small brush and wait 2 to 5 minutes depending on paint thickness. Do not let it dry. Then, agitate with a nylon scrub pad or old toothbrush. The motion loosens softened paint without harming glaze. Once paint lifts, wipe residue into the bucket. Repeat application and agitation until the surface is clean and smooth. To finish, rinse the tile thoroughly with warm, soapy water to remove solvent and paint residue. Make sure to wring cloths into the bucket and change water as needed. Inspect grout lines and use a soft toothbrush or grout tool to remove any trapped paint. If tiny stubborn spots remain, use a heat gun on low distance to soften the paint, then scrape gently. Make sure to test heat first. If tile discoloration appears, stop and try a milder solvent or consult a pro. Prevention is easier than repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.